Developing software is a wonderful alternative for a job in any respect you look at it. Worker satisfaction is good, salaries are competitive, the industry is expanding, and there is a plentiful supply of available positions. The annual income of software development professionals is approximately $110,140, whereas the annual salary of more experienced software developers is approximately $140,470. After graduation, finding work will not be difficult for students who have prior coding expertise and a degree in software development. Other advantages of working in this industry include excellent job perks, the opportunity to perform work from a distant location, and even an improvement in one's overall quality of life. Today we will talk about whether software development is a good career or not. But before we go ahead, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Types of software developers. In the field of information technology, the job title software developer can refer to a wide variety of distinct positions. With a degree in software development, the following positions are up to consideration as potential career paths for you to pursue. Web developers are in charge of all of the behind-the-scenes aspects of a website, such as its content, outbound connections, and code, in order to provide users with a satisfying experience when using the website. Back-end developers are responsible for a website's back-end logic as well as the integration of that logic with the front end. Front-end developers are responsible for creating a website's client-facing side, also known as the side that users view and interact with. Embedded system engineers employ software engineering to operate equipment and devices other than typical computers. These software engineers are employed in a variety of industries including aviation, manufacturing technology, and medical technology. Developers of languages and compilers work to improve the performance of software that compiles languages into code that can be executed by a computer processor. Operating system developers are responsible for the implementation of new feature capabilities in AIX operating systems. These operating systems are meant to give corporate businesses security infrastructures. Developers of video games create, improve, and maintain the games they create. App developers for mobile devices create the software and programs that run on mobile devices. Desktop developers are responsible for writing code for apps that are able to operate natively on desktop platforms such as macOS, Windows, and Linux. Data scientists analyze and manage data to address complex challenges using data science in corporate environments. Why should you think about starting a career in software development? Software development is a great option for a profession if you appreciate being creative while finding solutions to problems, working on projects, getting excited about JavaScript, and analyzing data. This is an excellent choice for a profession in many respects. The following is a list of important advantages that come with earning a degree in software development. A significant number of available jobs. There is no sign of this trend slowing down anytime soon. Businesses operating in virtually every sector are always looking to hire software engineers. In point of fact, employment of software developers is anticipated to expand by a staggering 22% between the years 2020 and 2030. Which is far faster than the average growth projection for all other occupations across the country. In today's competitive work market, having a bachelor's degree can give you a significant leg up on the competition and help you land a better position. Lucrative salaries. Both the number of people who use the internet and the number of websites that are now online have surpassed 4 billion, and both of these figures are expected to continue to rise. It should come as no surprise that one of the top-paying careers is software development, especially for entry-level roles, given the tremendous demand for the development of web-based products. You can bet on earning a competitive salary and advancing your career at a rapid pace if you choose a career in development, regardless of whether you choose to focus on the front end, the back end, the whole stack, or one of the many other possible paths. Numerous opportunities for professional advancement are available. In the field of software development, there are a large number of career paths to choose from, as well as several prospects for professional advancement. Problem solving, creative thinking, and coding are just a few examples of the transferable talents that you may pick up in a software development bachelor's degree program, in a coding bootcamp, or on the job. These skills can be applied to a wide variety of professions. There are always many other doors to open and regions to grow into, regardless of the type of development you choose. Flexible work environment. The fact that nearly all of a software developer's work is done online enables them to have an extremely versatile working environment, both in terms of the hours they put in and the places they conduct their jobs. The ability to do their work on their own time and from the comfort of their own homes is a luxury enjoyed by a good number of software engineers. As a remote worker, this also implies that you are not limited to software engineering employment in your immediate geographic area. Rather, you are free to apply for jobs located anywhere in the country. There are a large number of jobs available that either require their developers to be in the office during core business hours or require their developers to be in the office at least part-time. If you are the type of worker who prefers working in an office setting, there are also a large number of jobs available to you. The increased demand for software engineers has caused a situation in which organizations must compete with one another for the best software engineering talent. As a direct result of this circumstance, maintaining a healthy work-life balance has emerged as a prevalent area of focus. Jobs in software engineering are available at most firms nowadays, and the majority of them come with flexible hours and the option to work from home. The mix of manageable working hours and a generous salary is what makes software engineering such an attractive career option. It is quite unusual for any line of work to offer a job that pays a six-figure compensation and still leaves ample room for the employee to maintain a balanced life outside of the workplace. However, the job of senior software developer often does just that. Project-based work structure. A career in software development could be a good option for you if you prefer a lot of variety in your work or if you have a hard time staying interested in repetitive tasks. The majority of development teams operate on a project basis, which means that you are not required to make a long-term commitment and that you get to choose whatever projects are the most interesting to you. When you finally complete a project, this presents an additional chance for personal growth and accomplishment. If the idea of working on something fresh and stimulating every day appeals to you, then perhaps a career in software development is the right choice for you. A channel for creativity. It is a widespread misunderstanding that developing software consists of doing nothing more than writing lines of code day in and day out, with very little room for creative expression. Only software developers that bring a creative mindset to their work will find success in the industry. The reality is that each category of software is distinct, coming with its own set of limitations and issues that need to be resolved. When optimizing code to run more quickly and use less memory, it is equally important to exercise ingenuity in the process. Perks. A further advantage brought about by the need for software engineers is the availability of perks. There are a lot of different perks that come with working in software engineering, such as stock options, unlimited paid time off, complimentary gym memberships, and flexible work arrangements. Even entry-level software engineering jobs are said to offer perk packages in order to entice the most qualified job candidates. While senior software engineers will, of course, have access to the most perks, particularly at large technology companies, even entry-level software engineering jobs are said to offer perk packages. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.